Hi, this is Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 410 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1969 Mustang with a Holley Sniper fuel injection system on it. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we started with the 351 Windsor. We got the double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Brand new timing cover, new balancer, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filter all set up, ready to go. Oil pressure extension on there for easy hookup. Brass freeze plugs installed. Proper oil pan for the 69 Mustang, front sump oil pan. It's real nice blue ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold. Holley Sniper fuel injection systems on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory, fully tested for over 45 minutes. I'll set all the settings on the menu screen on the Holley Sniper fuel injection. It'll be plug and play, ready to go. We have the manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups. Proper automatic flex plate for the customer's 4R70W transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 351 Windsor. PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell hose. It's real nice Ford Racing valve covers with the matching air cleaner. We have the Wraptor pulley kit on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, which is nice. We have the lower hose on the passenger side, correct for the 69 Mustang. Correct thermostat housing, thermostats installed, bypass hose, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, ready to go. It's this way you get it, complete, custom built 351 Windsor, 410 horsepower with a Holley Sniper fuel injection. Thanks for watching.